Namaskar. Today I am going to talk about the connection between citrus fruits and acidity. Do you know that citrus fruits can aggravate acidity in many people? It is like this. When you eat citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruit, tangerine, and even lemons, your stomach produces more acid to break down that food. This can lead to symptoms like heartburn, bloating, and indigestion. Some people may be more sensitive to acid foods than others, which can further increase the likelihood of having more acidity. But here you should note one exception, that few drops of lemon in a glass of water can be a good home remedy for acid reflux, as it has alkalizing effect on your body. But all other citrus fruits can trigger acidity. If you are looking for reducing acidity which is caused by citrus fruits, here are some tips. Read food labels to check for ingredients like citric acid or orange juice concentrate. Choose non-citrus fruits like apples, pears, bananas, and berries that are also nutritious but less acidic. Opt for non-citrus juices such as grape juice and cranberry juice. Use different seasoning for bringing a tangy flavor to your food. Choose herbs or vinegar instead of citrus fruits. Now let's see what Ayurveda says about this. According to Ayurveda, food plays a very important role in our health. By making conscious choices about what we eat, we can support our digestive health and balance our doshas. Acidity is believed to be caused by the imbalance of Pitta dosha. This is about fire, heat, and transformation. Certain foods can aggravate the Pitta dosha and increase acidity in the body. These include sour and citrus food, spicy food, fried food, and greasy food, alcohol and fermented foods. If you feel that you are having acidity by taking some acidic food, I can give you some Ayurvedic suggestions. Eat food which helps lower pitta. So eat some cooling and soothing foods such as sweet fruits, green leafy vegetables, whole grains and dairy products. Spices like coriander, fennel and cumin can also be helpful. If a fruit is a completely ripe fruit, then only person should take that. Unripe fruits are not accepted in yoga. Avoid food that increases pitta like sour and acidic food, tomato-based products, chocolates, coffee, tea, carbonated beverages, alcohol, processed food, deep fried food, and spicy food. Practice stress management with meditation, yoga, and deep breathing. Get enough rest and sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours every night. And drink plenty of water. In this way, you will be able to reduce acidity and support your overall digestive health. So, you see how the food can affect your digestion and overall health. For overall health, what we should be doing? Avoid citrus food and choosing non-acidic options. You can reduce acidity. Make these dietary changes and balance your doshas. Remember, so the key to good health is balance. So be mindful about your food choices and listen to your body's needs. Pushti Rastu. May you be nourished. Namaskar.